Okay, I had to take a minute just to establish the center. I didn't want to waste tape. I basically was lifting it up and working more of the air out, which I'll bring back to here. There's a couple little bubbles that if I could get them out now, it would be all the better. I mean, they'll eventually come out on their own. If you have a friend or someone who can give you a hand, that would probably be a good idea. It's nice to have an extra set of hands just to control the large panel, as it can be somewhat awkward to do by yourself, as you can see. Again, I'm working from the direction that I first started to apply from, and then going in reverse, bit by bit, working the air out as I go along. There's a ridge there, so I'm going to push into the ridge and then over top. So far so good. Get my hand right under there. And working with my thumb into the shape of the hood here. Now, I'm stretching slightly. You'll see that I've got this stuck to my hand, and I'm slightly pulling on it in the direction that I'm applying the decal, which is that way, and working the air out, but I'm stretching it to take on this body line right here. far so good. I'm only going to come up to a certain point, maybe about here, and then come over to this side here and start working on it. Just try to make sure that our pattern is going on somewhat evenly, mirrored, stereoscopic, hemispherical. Again, I'm working up this body line here.